Okay, so this is part 2. Hi. Okay, also remember to like and subscribe. The button's just sitting there waiting for you to click it. It's kind of unfair. Like it's waiting, it's sad. It only happy the millisecond you click it, and it's like make that subscribe button happy and click it, okay? Make it happy. And also make the like button happy. This is some one oftenly gets used more than the like button, but okay, Hunter, I don't know. Oh, oops. Oh, no, repeat. And I think we dropped one. Repeat. Oh, and also, if you haven't watched this video, remember to watch. And watch part 1. Remember to watch it because you'll like the action-packed part 1. It's way funner than this one. I'll say it. Okay. We have Galerin Rodriguez. Oh, shiny Gengar. And Narjafloon. Repeat. Okay, maybe I have to admit this one is funner. Because, we're getting way more cards opened. Opening it on the wrong side. Okay. Houndstone, repeat. I don't want to... Damn it! Doesn't look like a repeat. Arguably. Because, 25% of the cards we open, literally are repeats. So, good. Opening. We have open. Get open. Oh, literally. Literally, all the... No. Due to issues. These are the issues. We can't open this one. So, yeah, I was right. The last one was way funner. We didn't have any issues. Well, minor ones, but ones that we can fix. That one's totally off the list. Can't fix it, not fixable. Okay, yep, wrong way again. Okay, this is gonna be our last one. It looks like real life. Litwick, Dusknoir, and repeat. Well, bye-bye, friends. Remember to like and subscribe. And make that subscribe button happy.